guys? I'm overly excited to be working with Kraftwerks USA. We got their intercoolers, the road tracks, oil reservoir, the supercharger assembly, the plenum, fuel injectors, our blowout valves, our tubing, and just remember these are our main key stuff. We do have all this, but our boosts are at 7.5 pounds of boost at 160 for the level 1. For the level 2, we have 180 at 10 pounds of boost. And for level 3, we actually have 210 at 15 pounds boost, which is just amazing for this Kraftwerks USA kit. I'm highly recommending this kit for anyone out there. But thank you guys for watching this video.